Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I have a really cheap, affordable product here. Um, and don't judge me, you guys. So this is from Temu. Some of their lip pencil I bought there. I just want to try it out. And then I also bought this one here, which is concealer icon. So you can use this as a concealer. You can also use it as foundation. So we're gonna play in it today, and then we're gonna see how it does work on my face. So if you want to see, continue watching, my friend. So guys, it's a little bit hot inside here, really hot, so I have to use a fan. So if you hear the sound in the background, it's just a fan. So let's try out this here. You can see all the color. So first I am going to go in with this character and apply it to the under eye here and see how it does work. It's just something that I want to try out. The other day I went to Sephora and I wanted one of their Makeup Forever palette, and it cost like $100 and something, and I was like, wow, I don't want to buy that. So I know some people don't like this type of makeup, but it's not like when you're doing YouTube, you try everything. Maybe somebody out there may interested in it, although you're not, but maybe somebody else out there interested in the product. So when you bought it, and if they like, they can also get it. If they don't, hopefully, it doesn't break me out. So this is the character I apply underneath my eyes here, and you can see it does cover my under eye. Now I'm gonna go in some more of the character here and just put it around my mouth. I like the character in this palette. It's not too thick, and you can see it blend out pretty good. I was just strolling on Temu the other day, and I even, at the end of the day, I even have some Sheen makeup, and I like their makeup. It's pretty good. Foundation is very thick. The concealer is also thick. So I am just feathering the character around my mouth here, and just finish feather it around my eyes. So now we're gonna go into another color. So I haven't put on any primer, you guys. I haven't put on no primer. I just use some of this as a serum, and then I use as my mineral face SPF of 30. So we're gonna see how it works. So I'm gonna go in with this brush here, and I'm gonna pick up some of the other color. Not really easy to pick up. Maybe I should just get the same brush and just carry it all over my face here, and then blend it out to see how it really look on the face here. And I'm gonna bring it down here over my forehead also. I'm gonna put some over my forehead, come down. Then there's a contour part here, this part, this one part here. So I am going to use some of the contour right here also, which is more, should be more of a darker shade. I'm gonna use it there, and also over here. It looked dark. Let's see this one. It looked dark in the pan, but then when you do apply it, it's not so dark. So let's use this brush, and we are going to brush this out of the face. and see how it does take on the face here. First impression, not looking bad. Here. It's not looking bad at all. Wow. It's not really looking bad. And it don't feel heavy. It's not looking bad. I was hoping that the darker shade, like this one here, would work better. Like it would show a more darker shade, but it's not. So we're gonna go in and get some more to put on my cheek here, and see how it does blend on the cheek. So I'm gonna blend it out also. And this is from Temu, you guys. This is a Temu palette that I chose to try out. Okay, it's not looking bad, really not looking bad. The thing with, you have to make sure you blend it out good though. It's not looking bad here at all. So I'm gonna use some of the concealer part here and just apply some of the concealer, and I'm gonna go into this part of the concealer and add it to my under eye, come down here and then go here and put it here. You can see how the concealer look, and bring it down here and then apply it around my nose, my mouth, and also apply some to my nose. So let's blend out what are on the nose. I'm gonna blend my under eye last with this product. Okay, and then I'm gonna go around my mouth and blend this out pretty good. So let's blend out what is under my eye now, and I'm gonna use the same brush to blend my under eye. Make sure I blend the product here properly. It's a bit hard to blend out. You can see, especially concealer, it's a bit really hard to blend out. So okay, so what I am going to do, I'm going to use some powder here, and I am going to go in with the e.l.f. powder, and this is the one I'm going to use. It have a sponge, and then this is what I am going to use. I'm going to use this to apply under my eyes here to set the concealer under my eyes. Here. And then I am also going to use this, which is from Maybelline. I still have some more leaving this powder. I remember when I first bought this powder, I love this powder so much. I still love it. This is what leave, and I'm gonna use it to tap on my face. Here, over my forehead. You guys, this contour and concealer collection from Temu, it don't even look like it's a Temu product. Yeah, so let's put a little bit of blush. We're gonna go all out with this. We're gonna put a little bit of blush on my cheek, and I'm using this one here, and just use a little bit here. Just go all the way with it. And this is from Essence. It's a palette that I bought from Essence some time ago. I just don't hardly use it. The thing with me, whenever I'm using a product, if I have it close by, I would use that product over and over and over. Okay, so after that we are going to, I'm going to come back. Okay guys, I don't know who got their hand on this, but I do. I got my hand on the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-second setting spray. I got my hand on it, you guys. So I am really glad for that. So let's spray the face now. Whew. So this, and then I am going to line my lip. So these are all the lip. There's a true lip. I don't even know which one to use, but I am going to try the darkest shade right now, and I'm gonna try this one here. Let's see. Okay, so this is it on my hand, so let's try it. So we are going to also use this lip tint, and this is not from Temu, okay? This is, I bought this separate, and I'm gonna apply it to my lip. So you guys, So this is my Temu. Romantic Flower 12 Color Corrector Pro Concealer Palette. I use this on my face board as a corrector, a concealer, a foundation, and also as a bronzing cream. And you can see, doesn't look bad at all. So let's swatch these lip pencil that I got from Temu. So this is one of it. Okay, we're gonna show you another one. This is also another one here. And I love this one. It's more brighter. Let's see, it's a little bit brighter than the other one that I use on my lip. It's not bad at all. And also, I show you this one. Wow, if you put it on a lipstick, this is so nice to go with your lipstick. And then also this one here. You can see how they look. Very creamy, not bad for a Temu lip pencil. Wow, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. This one is a little bit more paler. And then you have this one. It's 12 of them. This one, it's not bad. Let's see. It's not bad. I think I can use all of these because the color are not really bad. They are really nice color for my lip. I mostly have like red in it. I have 3 shades of more darker one. This one, this one, this one, and that one. Okay. But I can use all of these pencils if I want. This one is a little bit paler, but it can also work. And then this one, wow, that's beautiful. And then the last one, so 12 color lip pencil from Temu, which look amazing, you guys, on the back of my hand. So these are the color, and this is what I use testing out on my face. This one here is a bit on the pigment side, the whitish color here. It's really bright. But this is it. Let's swatch this one here, which is a little bit on the bright side. And I'm gonna use a brush here to take up a bit of it. This is how it is. You can see it's very creamy on the back of my hand. So I just want to say thank you again. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.